When your iPhone is showing no service on its status bar instead of the network signal indicator, it means that your device isn't acquiring a signal from your cellular network and therefore shows an error instead. As a result, cellular services such as basic calling and texting are not working. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone lost its service or signal after the iOS 13.6 update. First solution: perform the forced restart. The simplest possible solution to random software errors, including those affecting cellular network services, is a soft reset or reboot on your iPhone. It's a way of refreshing the phone's system services and all applications. If the problem occurred due to a minor firmware issue, then this procedure will fix it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then do the same to the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger the phone to power off and turn back on. When the logo shows, release the power key and wait until your iPhone has finished rebooting. After the reboot, try to see if your iPhone is still not getting signal. Second solution: reset the network settings. If your phone previously had a decent reception until this problem occurs, then it is possible that some network services have stopped working. Resetting the network settings will often address such issues. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. If the first two solutions failed to fix this problem, then a reset will be necessary, especially if there is no outage in your area and that your other devices have reception. Back up your files and data, and then follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Now enter your Apple ID's password and touch Erase to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. If the problem remains, then it's time to seek help from the tech. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.